Regarding the sales, you give good support, you give very good hints. If the partner is interested in selling ManWinWin, he will sell it.
It's opening doors for us as well, which we have not tapped before.
I would recommend anybody to work with ManWinWin because it's a good product, but also it's a good team to be part of.
ManWinWin has been from the beginning a very important pillar, and it was for a long time half of the business.
I really like something about ManWinWin is the proper structured way of handling everything, whether it's a training, whether it's a document. He's really good, and I learned a lot actually from him. I learned a lot.
Things change lately. This COVID, people will stay more from home. People will need more efficient way of manning their equipment running. Therefore, ManWinWin will be a need in the future.